Hi friends, Kurumzari. Today I am going to share a very nutritious Manipuri cuisine made of torbot or gourd and dried white peas. We call it Torbot Utti. This recipe is easy to make with a few spices and can be served with rice or roti according to one's preference. If you like this video and haven't clicked the button yet, please do consider subscribing the channel. It will motivate me a lot. So without any further delay, let's begin. For this recipe, I will be taking 300 gram dried white peas or mathel which had been soaked in water overnight. The other star ingredient is gourd or torbot in Manipuri language. I have taken 600 gram of it, that is nearly double the quantity of mathel's amount. These are diced into cubes of medium size. I am sure everyone must be aware of its immense health benefits, especially in ailments related to liver. Apart from these two, I will be taking chives and cut pieces of rinds of citrus Latipes or Heiribop. The list of the ingredients are given in the description box as well. You can check it out later. Now let's chop up these chives into 1 to 1.5 inch length. The ingredients are ready. Let's get into cooking Torbot Utti. In a pressure cooker, I am going to take 2 cups of water and toss mathel and gourd pieces into it one after another, which will be followed by 1 teaspoon baking soda. Then closing the lid and cooking until 2 whistles. This mixture should be around 70% cooked, that is the peas and the vegetable pieces should be tender and at the same time wholly shape. So after releasing the steam under running water immediately, this is the result. Turn on the gas and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now I am going to add 7-8 vertically sliced green chili, Heiribop pieces and half cups of chives. The other half I am going to keep it for tadka or tempering to be followed later. Give it a good mix and let it soften a little bit for 3-4 minutes. Normally we cook this vegetarian recipe without onion, garlic and with minimum spices using only chives and hookah chives. Since chives are found very rarely, we can always substitute it with onion leaves or even onion bulbs. Another must-have ingredient is Heiribop. Because of its citrus aromatic flavor, it brings to this authentic Manipuri dish. Now I am going to add 1 cup water to make the gravy a little thinner. Then I will be adding salt as per taste. In fact, a little less than we normally use, as we have already added another salt, that is baking soda, at the beginning. After this, I am going to add grated ginger about 1 inch length. More liquid to be added, but with milk this time, as it will add creaminess to the texture and enhance the flavor. After 5 minutes of simmering, I am going to give a tempering to the dish. So for making a tadka, I will be taking a generous amount of mustard oil in a tadka pan. When the oils get heated up, I will be adding bay leaves, a pinch of Asafoetida or hing, a teaspoon whole jeera, which is the only spice I will be using other than hing. Let it sputter. Then 2 red chilies, half cups of spring onion leaves, and lastly but not least, the rest of the chives, and saute it until it turns slightly crisp and aromatic. I'm telling you, the magic of this dish lies in this tadka. Make sure you temper the chives until its green color changes to slightly darker shade. It's done. I'm going to transfer it to the other boiling pot, which is still on top of the other burner at medium flame. Give it a good mix. Finally, garnishing it with chopped coriander leaves, and our Torbot Utti is ready. So friends, do try making this vegetarian recipe at home. You won't regret it. It is healthy, nourishing and flavorful. If you like this video, please do subscribe the channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. That's all for today. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.